Another day on Sodor.
Huh, what a strange noise, thought Thomas to himself.
Oh my goodness! Come and explore like never before.
Prepare yourself for fun.
Featuring #1 in
cares.
the whole friggin' job, bang.
Come along with the gang, cause we gon' fucking drink, migraines too.
Don't forget Jesus.
What is going on out here? But probably best that you hold on tight, just in case if you die.
Hello, Gordon.
Hello, little Thomas.
So, how's the new station, huh?
It's acceptable.
Acceptable? Dude, this is way more than acceptable. This station is like really good.
It would be if it wasn't for whatever this is in front of us.
The wall?
Yes, the wall. Loading and unloading passengers can take hours. And I don't want to spend those hours doing nothing but staring at the stupid wall.
Well, that's the problem right there. You think walls are stupid when in reality, you just it's an acquired taste of sorts.
That's a sorry little attempt at indoctrination from you, little Thomas.
What? What are you talking about?
Oh, please. Take your wall propaganda and shove it right up your rear end.
God damn it, I almost had him.
A few moments later.
Out of my...
Huh, what a strange noise, thought Thomas to himself.
Now, this may look like a wall, but really, it is... Oh, it is a wall. I'm sorry.
Hang on.
Right, this may look like some stairs with a dead end, but really it is not.
SpongeBob! Where they for man? What? What they for the man? What are you saying? I have glasses now! What were you saying before? I took my glasses off! Will you just tell me what you were gonna say before? We're late for your match.
Is that part of the surprise? He asked. That, said Emily, is for me to know and you to find out. And she puffed away. But he raced away so that he wouldn't spoil the surprise. Bother, wished Thomas. If they won't tell me, Thomas huffed, I'll find out myself. Thomas had to go straight ahead.
My foot!
How will I ever find out what the surprise is?
Tell Thomas what had happened. We haven't a God. We haven't a God. But he was hurrying and wouldn't listen.
Friends, but I thought you could go fast, Thomas. It's time we had another race. I reckon I could beat you now. Thomas let off steam loudly. Rubbish! He hissed fiercely. It's those main line engines. They dither about on the viaduct, and they blame Sir Topham Hatt's workmen. It's just an excuse for laziness, if you ask me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
That evening, the engines were very excited. They were all talking about Thomas's surprise. I can't wait, chuffed Edward. He'll love it, puffed Percy. But then, Thomas arrived. Shh, said James. Don't tell Thomas, said Henry. Thomas felt more left out than ever. It wasn't fair. Everyone knew what the surprise was except Thomas. Huh? If they won't tell me, I don't want to know.
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Surprises, surprises, they come all shapes and sizes. You never know what's round the bend. It might delight, it might offend. That's why there's surprises with all their highs and lows. You come on top or come full stop. Who knows, who knows, who knows?
So, you gonna need another ride? Oh, shut up!
I never thought we'd reach a point where we're naming stations after themes, but can't say I'm surprised.
Actually, no. I made all that shit up.
Why?
I find misinformation to be quite humorous, especially if it harms anyone but me.
You're an asshole.
Don't I know it?
Oh, whatever. I gotta stop him.
Meanwhile,
I love the back, the Great Western Railway. And oh, did I ever tell you about the time that I pulled slip coaches? Oh, it was so fun!
Okay. What the fuck is this lip coach?
Well, you see,
Steven, what are you doing in there?
Oh no.
Run! Run! I'm coming for you!
Oh dear, sounds like gardeners in a rush.
I'm running right now. Is he by?
I can't stop the blasted train!
Lost.
Gordon? You still with us?
I don't think he is.
Patrick! Oh no, okay, what do I do? I'll bring him to an ambulance, okay. Well, Patrick, the doctors found a way to sew your arm back on. Yeah, I'm kinda glad.
When Bertie was better, he came to thank Thomas. I'm sorry I teased you about being late. That's all right, replied Thomas. I'm glad I could help. There are times when being late isn't such a bad thing after all.